This guide will show you how to reference a journal article using the APA style. The details for citing a journal article are generally found on the page where you access the article. Important details include the author of the article, year it was published, title of the article, volume and issue number, a page range, and the DOI if available. Once you have found these details, you will need to format them in a specific way. Author. This is the author of the article. Use the family name with only the first letter capitalized, comma, initial, full stop. When you have more than one author, you need to include all of the names. This is an example for 3 authors. For further assistance with this aspect, please see the library's referencing and citation page. Date. You need to note the date the article was published. Format using the year in brackets followed by a full stop. Article title. This is the title of the article. Only use capitals for the first words in the title and subtitle. Use a colon to separate title and subtitle details. Journal title. This is the title of the journal where the article can be found. Format this information using italics followed by a comma. Volume number. Use italics for this number. Issue number. This does not need italics. Write the number of the issue within the brackets, followed by a comma. Page number. Include the start and end page of the article separated by a dash. This is followed with a full stop. DOI. If available, you need to include the DOI for the article. Use DOI as a prefix followed by the DOI number. For further assistance, please see the library's reference and citation page or contact library staff.